How to use TradingView mobile app as a beginner. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use TradingView mobile app as a beginner. First, open your Play Store and search for TradingView. Tap on the app and install it on your device. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Google account or create a new TradingView account if you don't already have one. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard with a default market chart. To analyze a different market, tap the search icon and enter the ticker symbol or market name you're interested in. You can customize your chart by using the toolbar to add indicators, change chart types, and adjust settings. Tap the indicators icon to add tools like moving average or RSI. If you want to receive notifications for specific price levels, tap the alert icon and set your desired conditions. You can save your charts by tapping the save icon and share your analysis using the share feature. Now you can start using TradingView to track and analyze market trends. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.